This Century 21 Global Realtors property video is presented by Mike Branson. Well thought out custom built home with contemporary flair on 5 acres. Cook-inspired kitchen designed with entertaining in mind, has high-end appliances, quartz countertops, glass backsplash, soft close drawers, a pantry nearby, a large dining island and dining area. Living room features a corner-set electric log fireplace surrounded by shiplap look and has coffered ceilings. The master suite has 2 lounges and hers closets, double sink vanity with kneehole and large walk-in shower. 3 more bedrooms at the other end of the home are served by a nicely appointed bath, and a laundry room with TV cable. Luxury vinyl tile flooring throughout, except for carpet in the bedrooms and living room. All rooms wired for internet. All countertops are quartz and there is a tankless water heater. Looking for a shop? The attached 3-bay garage has 10 feet roll-up doors, 12-foot ceiling, a workroom, a safe room, and the 3-rowed well-appointed bathroom. Enjoy the large covered patio, wooded views and a small creek. Paved road frontage, Perkins School District and a country setting close to town. For more information, review the details below or contact Mike Branson at 405-612-5347.